You ever miss the apocalypse?
No, why would I miss the end of times?
I miss the simplicity. I was bad, you were good, life was easier. Now it's all so messy. I'm kinda good, which sucks. You're kinda bad, which is actually all manner of hot. So which Cass are you now? Original make and model or crazy town?
I'm just me.
We survive this? I'm gonna order some pizza and we're gonna move some furniture around, you understand?
No, Wait, actually, yes,
All right, let's roll, campers.